Trying Nashville hot chicken in Nashville for the first time ever. I drove 16 hours from Canada to Nashville, Tennessee, USA. 1. Nashville medium hot chicken strips. Dipped in secret Nashville sauce. Taste so amazing, best flavoring on a chicken 8/10. 2. Extremely spicy hot AF Nashville strip. I had to sign a waiver to order this one. Dip it in ranch because I'm scared. They didn't lie when they said it's insanely spicy, my mouth on fire, but still good 7/10. 3. Nashville fries. Very nice spices on them, love it 7.5/10. 4. Nashville classic chicken sandwich. Only includes pickles, strips, and sauces. Deliciousness levels 9.5.